Hello everyone, my name is Dejaniro, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to the first OC of this channel. Let me know what you think of the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know where you think his story can go next. I had this idea a while back of a young hero in a world of superpowers that just decided to help people with just his intellect, and fight crime with the same tool. I wanted the character to be really smart and basically be a mixture between Iron Man, Spider-Man, and Superman character-wise. So I want him to be hopeful and a beacon of it, but also kind of sarcastic and funny. I want him to be smart enough to create a sort of nanotech armor that, even though it doesn't cover his whole body, it is formidable. Besides that, design-wise, I wanted a very specific feeling. First, I wanted him to have a skull helmet. I'm not sure why, I don't remember, I just wanted that. I wanted to make a character that looked like they were created in the golden age of comics, but had recently been revamped and updated. That's why he has a red armor in his groin area. Imagine Superman's trunks updated to look like armor. I really think this is the most fun I've had making and drawing a character in a while. I was initially going to do a Kratos piece, and while I might finish that and post a video on it, I wasn't really enjoying that. It didn't come naturally, so I decided against it. And it's usually better to just draw something that just feels right, like my previous Optimus video, link in the description. It felt like it came out of me, just like how this drawing felt like it's a extension of me, which usually are the best videos to make. So let's get into some lore. So this character is Jeremy King, a young Afro-Latino genius from my world's equivalent of New York. His parents, Omar Serrano and Aaliyah King, are genetic geniuses and engineering geniuses respectively. They created a prosthetics empire that helped millions around the world, and they were secretly a pair of old heroes when the heroic era was a thing. They were called the Wonders. He was Mr. Wondrous, and she was Miss Wonder. As Jeremy grows up, he wonders what his powers would be, and as he reaches the age of 116, everyone ages differently in this world, and what we would call 16 is actually 116 for that world. This is for the sake of storytelling without worrying about them having to age. But when, so like Spider-Man right now, he's been 30 for like forever, or like late 20s forever. But I just want to not have to worry about that. Basically, from 16 to 18-year-old, that's a whole 200 years. It's like they matured at that age. It's just really timeline. But when he reaches that age, his powers hit him. He's a technopath, which means he has the ability to interface with technology and control it. He also has a bit of super strength and an advanced healing factor. He keeps his technopathy a secret because he wants to use it as a weapon to fight against the seemingly endless crime that happens in this world. He goes to school and has a group of 7 people, including him, that play this world's equivalent of Dungeons and Dragons. He's particularly close to 2 of them. Foreshadowing. When he decides that he wants to help people, he starts designing the suit that you see here. Being able to interface with technology, he finds out that his house is secretly a base of operations, because, his parents were superheroes. He communicates with it and tells it not to let his parents know about how he's going to use the resources in it to make his new suit. From here, the awesome high school equivalent shenanigans begin. As he tries to live a double life, Spider-Man, what's another teenage superhero? I don't know. But little does he know that his group has similar problems. Foreshadowing. Now the little bit of lore is finished, I will allow you to just enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you in a bit. So there we are. This drawing was honestly just really fun to do. And I think my favorite part is the helmet. It took so long to render, and I think the time spent on it was well worth it. It just, the shine, the shadows, I just really like it. Let me know what you think of this piece. I will continue doing OCs in this universe and potentially multiple other universes that I have ideas for. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Have a good one, and happy holidays. Bye.